when you're attracting investors or looking for investors, it's important to remember they need to make money. That's rule number one. You have to have that in mind when approaching them. Another thing is that it's not only attracting the investor, but it's also marrying them and eventually a divorce. When you are presenting a business plan, be clear about what you're asking for. Is it purely capital? Is it strategic partnerships? Is it maybe personal networks? And on the other hand, what are you giving back to the investor? Is it a loan? What kind of caveats are there? Or if it's equity, does it follow a board seat or likewise? Another thing that often is underestimated, even in very professional business plans, is CVs and background of the team that you're working with. As long as you indicate what are the skills that you're looking for in this person, and maybe the investor will know somebody who fits the profile and can help you in filling it. Another thing that's really important is to have an idea about how the exit is going to happen.